water should still be kind of warm.
Holy fuck, man.
Maybe not. It's a beautiful 60 degrees out here in South Florida. Archie, you're not going swimming.
All right, we lost the prop.
Completely?
Yeah. Yep, completely. Shaft is still there.
That's cool.
What? Audrey, come back here.
Videoing? Alright, so what happened? So after I found out that we lost the prop, so our port engine is now like just done. So I'm not gonna use that one at all, but we still gotta get out of this channel, under the bridge, and then I'm gonna sail it south to Inglewood. It's gonna take a while to sail down there. So yeah, I'm doing this solo. I took the kids, Hillary took the kids and the dogs off. So it's just me, and so they could go home, get some good sleep, and then I'm going to figure out how to do this with one engine, solo. It's gonna be fun. All right, I made it. Check it out. Past the bridge. There's the bridge. I'm out in the Gulf. It worked out great. So the tide changed. I got a real strong incoming tide, which moved the boat sideways into opposing the wind, but at least the boat was facing the tide. I tested steerability at anchor, which I had. Then I started the engine, and I slowly took the anchor out, and I was able to steer. So yeah, it was a good learning curve. Did it solo. Yeah, pretty happy. So now I got a nice sail ahead of me. Going down to Boca Grande. Got a beam reach at about 15 knots. And I'm gonna make quick work of this. I'll be home early morning, but I'm happy to be out of here, and now I can go shop for some new props. So, awesome. We're sailing. Look at that. Finally, I'm out. Everything's up. Going 7.5 knots. Going straight to Boca Grande. That's it. Fucking great day. I'm glad we got out of there. Glad I got out of there.